I will be showing you two things before the end of this video. One of them will be the quarterly buyers. We have 2 months left, which is February and March. Number 2 will be the weekly buyers. Guys, I welcome you specially to Heartfelt Academy. Wherever you're watching and listening from, I say big welcome to you all. But please make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Follow us on TikTok. You can also share to others who might need it in case you don't need it. Alright, but I know it's going to be beneficial to every individual, irrespective of your level, a newbie or you're an advanced trader. This video is for everyone. So please share to others. You can drop your comment and like this video. Alright, so let's progress for this week. Don't forget we have a lot of red folder. That is also an indication that it's going to be a high probability week, because we're going to be experiencing a lot of volatility in the market for this first week of February. All right, some say it's an accumulation week, but nevertheless, let's see how it's pan out for this week. You can see on Monday we have news on USD. The reason why I place the USD is because we're talking about only the triads, FS triads, right? USD, Gbpusd. Yes, so whatever I'm saying here, you can compare it with your DXY and drop your question. So on Monday we're going to be having a red folder. On Tuesday we're going to be having that red folder. We have the same time on Wednesday, same red folder earlier on by 2:15 GMT +1, right? So, and on Thursday we're going to also have unemployment claims. We will also have the red folders too on Fridays. You can see that we had FOMC, right? FOMC, and last week, yes, FOMC last week, and this week we're going to be having what? We're going to be having NFP, right? So NFP is all about a reaction. It's a reaction. Now NFP is going to be, it's not really about a reaction, it's about data on the economy, while FOMC is going to be a reaction based on the data here. So a lot of things that are needed to explain, but nevertheless, one of these days I'm going to point out. But take note, our setup might happen Monday, it might happen Tuesday, it might happen Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. It might also happen twice, all right, in this week. But last week we had about 3 setups. That was so massive and crazy. But you just have to play alongside with this news. Don't trade the news, trade before or after the news, so you don't gamble your money. All right, so let's hop into the chart now, see what we have for today. All right, yeah, for the first information, which is our quarterly buyers. For the quarterly buyers, we are going to be going bearish for this quarter. We have February and March left, right? We're going to be going bearish, and we are to anticipate at least, that's at least, yeah, we're going to be anticipating about 300 pips. Let me use that word, about 300 pips. All right, so if you have a good entry, you should hold on. This is where it all began. 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 At the close of this last bullish candle, it signals what? A drop, right? Reacted into 50% and probably began to drop. You can see it here. So all of these areas I marked, these horizontal lines, are also areas that I'm seeing is going to be, is a range on the lower time frame. The price is going to be sweeping, it's going to be the liquidity that price needs to be taken. So mark it on your on your chart and follow it up, right? Follow it up, guys. Follow it up, mark it and follow it up. Those areas are very sensitive on Gbpusd, because I said for this February March we're going to go bearish, market will retrace. You look for an entry to write it down into either of this range that price might be sweeping through, right? That is for GU, and this is for Euro USD. This is for Euro USD. All right, this for Euro USD. You can see these areas are very sensitive. The price might be, sweeping and keep going down. So we are still going to be anticipating 300 pips for Euro USD within this quarter on Euro USD. So that is that for the quarter. Then what are we anticipating for our week? This first week of February, guys, we still want to go. We want to go bearish. We want to go bearish on Euro USD. We want to go bearish on Gbpusd. What are you going to anticipate? Anticipate at SMT. It might happen either of the day of the week, or we might have two setup if we are also lucky enough. All right, so we want to go bearish. We want to go bearish. I'm really looking at these areas for those who want to trade the, what they call it now, want to trade they want to swing the trade for the quarter. Price here, there's a break here, there's a break here, there's a break here. Are you getting that, guys? There's a break there. All right, there is a break there, there's a break there. All right, this area I marked here, there's a break. All right, there's a break here, so price closed below it. Right, it also switched off here, or it might retrace into this area here, the FVG here, or a rejection block here, and pull off down. If it pulls down, we are going to be targeting this area. All right, so once you hit that, the 100 pips, take partials and wait for another 100 pips. You keep on taking partials. So this area is very sensitive. All right, so price might retest, or price might take this low first and begin to push to the upside and drop down. So anytime a previous day high is taken, you keep looking for looking for an entry downwards. All right, so that is that on UUSD. So like I said before, for this week we are going bearish. We are going bearish. Look for our setup. Check other videos. You will see a setup. SMT might be previous day high. All right, grab on liquidity, failure swing, sessional SMT. All right, so look for either of those SMT. Get your entry on the lower time frame, and you should be good. Target 50 pips, and you should be good for the week. So please don't forget, follow us on TikTok, or you can join our Telegram through our bio on TikTok or through our YouTube, and you should be good to go. Drop your question, like our videos, and I hope to see you weekend, as I'll be dropping a review on this on Saturday by 4 p.m. Sundays by 4 p.m. for weekly analysis. All right, let's go bearish, guys. Have a nice trading week ahead. Bye.